Aloha everyone, this is Cheryl, and today's video is gonna be special because I'm gonna teach you how to make gardenia slips or how to propagate gardenias. Gardenia is one of my favorite flowers. It smells so good and I just love it. So look at my wild chickens. These are not my chickens. So right here is old gardenia plants that I planted a long time ago and I haven't been taking care of them, or how to propagate gardenia plants just by cutting some stems off. I try to find tips with a lot of tips or branches. Like right here, you can see there's two right here and then two on the top. You can just cut this one right here if you wanted to. Actually, I'm just gonna cut this whole branch off and then I'll show you what I do after. So I should get a bigger clippers. Some black on there. And before, my mom and dad used to use Volk oil, but I'm sure neem oil would work just as great. But I'll be back. Oh, there's hardly any wind today. It's gonna be muggy. But anyway, I got myself some gardenia slips. You need a container of water so you can soak the slips in. Okay, but anyway, yeah, get yourself a container with water. I suggest glass is the best. Right here. And then I kind of cut it about maybe, this is like what, 8 inches, maybe 7, almost 8 inches. I started long. It's gonna be faster when they grow. I'll just stick it in water, just like this. So here's another beautiful one right here. Yeah, they look all kind of messed up, the leaves and stuff, but it'll be fine. Maybe take off some of the bottom leaves as well. Yes. You know, there was this one lady sell gardenia plants. Man, her gardenia plants was amazing. Beautiful gardenias, dark and green, and see, like this one right here. I'll just remove this right here. This one I can split into 2. So cut this one off in water. And when you fill your container, you don't want to overload. They don't have air flowing through. So I might need another container. I have to go look if I have another glass container. But yeah, it's so easy. Right here's another one, a 3-pronger. See, maybe I can fit a couple more. So with water, because if they dry out, it's not gonna happen. That's it. Anyway, when it's probably gonna be about 3 weeks until, you know, my gardenia plants start to root. So when that happens, I'll do an update. Aloha, bye. Okay, I had to stop for a little bit. My son is going crabbing with the auntie and the uncle. And I'm gonna be in my garden. So I'll show you where I put this. You wanna keep this out of direct sunlight. So in other words, in the shade. You know, there's this one of my hens. I gotta open up my gardening center. No, not that side. I'm gonna keep it right here. Look, this is where I'm gonna keep it. You see, it's in the shade in my garden center. And you know, I have this one chicken that comes in here, and look, she lays eggs. You guys, I got eggs. I think at Easter time, I'm gonna put a sign on the side of the road, find your eggs, and if you find it, you can take it home. I got eggs all over this creation, all over my yard. Man, the kids would have a blast. I even have a blast. I love looking for eggs. Try. Let's see, where's that packet? Just the regular, like, Bloomsdale long-standing spinach. My husband loves spinach. He makes this stuffed salmon with spinach. Fresh spinach is the best. So I'm gonna plant this somewhere, but I'm still thinking where. Anyway, see you later.